In this video, we're going to take a look at shape number 2, or box number 2, for the A minor pentatonic scale that we began with for shape 1 with the root on the 6th string of the 5th fret. Again, I'm going to show you the way I use my fingers to start pulling everything together. So for shape 2, position 2, I'm going to begin with my middle finger on the 8th fret, pinky on 10, index on 7, pinky on 10. Index on 7, pinky on 10, index on 7, ring on 9, middle finger on 8 on the 2nd string, pinky on 10 of the 2nd string, and then we go 8 on the 1st string and 10. So all together. And you'll see I kind of incorporate my fingers a little bit differently depending on how I want to get myself into position. Okay, and if we go back up the scale, again, position number 2, we're still in A minor pentatonic. And there's my root, which we began with lesson 1 of position 1 or box 1 for the A minor pentatonic scale. So just memorize this position, and as we memorize it, we get all 5 under our belts. We will begin to show how you can put them all together really for one big box, basically, where we can go up and down the fretboard.